During the dark days of World War I, while the world was shaken by the smell of blood and gunpowder, scientists were tirelessly working to uncover the secrets of the universe. Despite the destruction and chaos brought by the war, Albert Einstein's publication of the General Theory of Relativity in 1915 revolutionized the world of science. Have you ever wondered what the Earth and Moon are suspended in, how they pull each other, and how this magnificent balance is maintained? Let's think more simply. Have you ever wondered why a watermelon falls to the ground when you drop it? Perhaps we haven't, but geniuses like Newton and Einstein were curious about the secrets and limits of the universe. Thanks to their deep curiosity, revolutionary discoveries like the General Theory of Relativity and beloved works like the movie Interstellar were born. This unquenchable thirst for knowledge in humanity sheds light on the most mysterious corners of the universe. The foundations of Newton's laws of gravity were shaken with the realization that the speed of light is the ultimate speed limit in the universe. It was empirically proven that it would take 8 minutes for light from the sun to reach Earth, or for a change in the sun's gravitational force to affect the Earth. Despite this, according to Newton, the sun and the Earth were connected by an invisible string, and were pulling each other instantaneously, continuously, and independently of time. Essentially, Newton spoke of an instantaneous gravitational pull, but this is not the case. This discrepancy was the clearest evidence that Newton was wrong. For a scientist like Einstein, this discrepancy in Newton's theory was a great playground to be explored and completed. If Newton was wrong, what should the truths of nature be? By addressing this question, Einstein developed the theory of general relativity. According to this theory, gravitational effects should also propagate at the speed of light, and even if the sun suddenly disappeared, the Earth would feel this 8 minutes later. The most astonishing part of this theory is that space is made up of a fabric known as spacetime, which is affected by masses. Einstein's thought experiments leading to the general theory of relativity are seen as the most important proof of his genius. The starting point of the general theory of relativity, which completely changed our understanding of the universe, is Einstein's thought experiments. For a person to imagine themselves as light and, from this point, eventually grasp the understanding that the universe is made up of space-time is truly mind-blowing. It is truly ironic that Einstein, who devoted all his energy to his greatest theory during World War I, and had no interest in the war, played a leading role in the production of the atomic bomb during World War II. But that is a topic for another video. Another astonishing result of the general theory of relativity is that gravity slows down time. This is where the connection between the general theory of relativity and the movie Interstellar becomes one of the best recent storms in science communication. According to this theory, large masses bend space-time and thus slow down time. In other words, gravity directly affects time. In the movie Interstellar, Cooper and his team land on a planet orbiting a black hole. 1 hour on this planet is equivalent to 7 years on Earth. I can hear you saying, "No way, dear friends." This theory has been empirically proven through experiments. It has been clearly observed in experiments that atomic clocks at the center of the Earth run slower than atomic clocks on the International Space Station. Even approaching the center of the Earth, which has a much smaller mass, slows down time. Another strange aspect of time dilation is that time travelers cannot realize they are traveling through time without someone who is not time traveling. The sentence might be a bit confusing. Perhaps it is best explained again with an example from the movie Interstellar. If Cooper, who reached the age of 127 by Earth time, had not returned to Earth, he would never have known that the daughter he left at age 5 had reached the age of 90, and was on her deathbed, and thus would not have concretely realized that he had traveled through time. Thank you for watching our video.